Guys, what's that thing you have there?
The tornado simulator.
Tornado simulator? How does it work?
It works by you get a bowl and put hot water in the bowl and get dry ice and put it on the hot water and put the bowl inside the box.
Oh yeah?
And then
How'd you take that off? What's holding that up there?
Magnets, like there's 2 magnets sticked up there, and there's these like little plates, so then when you put it in there, it doesn't fall or anything.
Awesome.
It just stays there.
Okay, let's see some action. Steffan, what's it gonna do? Once in there, the dry ice and the hot water.
what's in what?
What's it gonna do once the dry ice is in the water?
The hot water.
Yeah.
It's going to make steam.
Oh yeah?
And then when you cover the door, then not much air comes inside, so you can make the tornado. And you have to turn the fan on like this.
Oh yeah, well don't turn the fan on right now.
Like that. And then you can do it.
Awesome. So what's that, hot water?
Hot water.
So you're gonna use the tongs to put the hot water in? Whoa! Okay, don't touch the dry ice, right?
Yep. Also
Or else you'll get stuck.
Oh,
it
yeah?
is 109, negative 109 degrees.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now did you close the back?
Yeah.
So so there's no air, but the, what are these slits for?
The slits is
To give cold air, so the tornado can form.
Yeah? What does it do? Lorenz, what does it do? What is the fan gonna do?
Cold air in there, and then so then it can like make the air from the dry ice get up, so it can form a tornado, and then when you turn the fan on, then it will
Whoa.
like
Look at that.
Then it forms a tornado.
That is great.
And there's like white bubbles in the bottom when it makes a tornado.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah, see there it is coming out of there, and it's creating a rotation because of the slits
yeah,
and an updraft.
yeah, the updraft.
Awesome. Now what happens if you take the back off
The tornado
while it's doing that?
If you turn the back off, then the tornado will disappear. See?
Ah. Nice.
But then when you put it back, the tornado forms again.
Because
Oh, cool.
because the air doesn't have to, because if the air gets loose, then it can't form a tornado.
How fast do tornadoes really go?
100 miles per hour to 318 miles per hour.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a lot of miles per hour. On the top, is that running on a battery, that fan?
No.
It looks like it is. How'd you guys get it to run on a battery?
You use
The solder iron?
the solder iron, so you can like make.
And you had to disconnect the cable, the battery, so the cables cannot connect to the battery, and then it turns off. And when
Oh, yeah?
you try to turn it on, it doesn't work. The battery doesn't charge it.
Well, so what happens if you switch that? Everything will turn off?
Yeah, everything will turn off.
Cool. Now, why are you guys wearing gloves and goggles? Why'd you touch the dry ice with the tongs?
Because if we touch it with the gloves, it'll stay like stuck. And then.
Well, what happens if you touch it with your bare hands?
Your hands will burn.
They'll burn.
And they'll get stuck there, and you can't get it out.
Interesting. Now, why is it dead? Can you put some more dry ice in there?
Yep.
Yeah.
Be careful. Get a nice big chunk out of there.
Yep.
What's that sound?
It's from the dry ice.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because
That's a big one.
The tongs, they like have hot, so it sprinkles.
And it's back.
But it's a bigger one this time. I got a big dry ice right there. Big one.
Nice.
Good job.
So is this an F5 tornado?
It's like, I think it's like a F1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Why? What are the? Don't touch yourself with the tongs. You just touch dry ice with that. Looks like you have some paint on your arm. How long has that been there for?
I don't know.
A week? Did you get it from painting this?
Yeah.
What's the difference between an F5 tornado and an F3?
A F5 tornado has more power than the F3 and looks more wider than the F3. And the F5 looks more wider and bigger than the F3 tornado.
Cool.
And
So that's like an F3. Is that an F2?
I don't know. And the F3 can throw a car to like a lot of miles, but a F5 tornado can throw a car at like 500 miles or something.
All right. Well, let's bring this to the science fair.
Okay.
Good job, guys.